Would you like to learn to play this chord melody arrangement of White Christmas? All right, so we're giving a free Christmas chord melody workshop, and I'm going to be teaching that. As a matter of fact, I just arranged this song. I was trying to figure out what song should I do, and I found this one, found the right key, think it sounds great, and I'm going to teach you that, and actually the whole song, in this free workshop, ukelikethepros.com/Xmas. So come join in. We're all going to be talking about this arrangement. We're going to be talking about our new Christmas chord melody course for the ukulele, which is also coming out that same day. So anyway, I look forward to seeing you over there. Let me help you with this cool chord melody arrangement of White Christmas, ukelikethepros.com/Xmas.